What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're installing a new exhaust. I'm sweaty because I just got the car up in the air, but we got a new exhaust for you guys. I'm about to show you guys right now. So I got my my DDR here, which is an exhaust I had on the SI, which I loved a lot. So I wanted to get it again for the Type R. I got a very good deal on this. I mean, I see it's been sitting out for a while, so it has a bunch of like oxidation to it, I guess you can say. Look at the tips here. Like, these are the tips, like all dirty and done up. So we got some new ones. They're right there from Greddy Direct. So we're about to open those up. But time to get rid of these ones because look at them, all jank, done. So time for some new ones. So this is how the tip's supposed to look. Look who just showed up.
Hi.
Look.
This
This is how the tip's supposed to look versus the old one. So we're out with the old and with the new. So first thing you want to do when you get under here is remove the clip so you can get to here, so you can get to the hangers on there and on this side. So we're gonna start by doing that first.
full send, brother. My leg.
Finally got the stock one off. And yeah, so I think the worst part was probably getting this piece off. Those two hangers, but this piece was a pain in the ass too. But we got it off. Now it's time to put the Greddy one in. Should be easier than it was to take it off. At least hopefully. Okay, so we got it on with the tips. And it's time to start it. You gonna start it? I'm ready. Still catted. That's because it's in the air. Oh, because you have it on. It's in third gear. Reps. Just it's not loud. That's just pretty loud. Sounds a lot cleaner. Overall impressions, I like the exhaust. I wanted it, or I had it on the SI, which was amazing. So I thought, why not get it for the Type R? I love it. It sounds clean. It's super loud on the inside, and it's louder than I thought. But it's okay because we're gonna be able to callus anyway, so it's not like it matters. But it sounds hella good. It sounds clean. I like it. But now we're going to put everything away. Like I said, the inside has a lot of junk to it, so I will get we'll get POV driving with that pretty soon, and then hopefully we're getting on data next. So stay tuned for more of that. But now it's time to go upstairs and make an outro. I don't like this. I can see myself.
That's exactly what you liked about the Sony.
Yeah, but the Sony made me look good. This doesn't make me look good.
Put a filter on. Obvious filter on.
Anyways, it's the end of the video. Oh, sorry. Did you want to say something?
Hi, buddy.
It's the end of the video, and I just can't look at this. I'm not gonna look at that. It's the end of the video. We installed the exhaust about a couple days ago, so it is a few days later. Overall, I do like it. I mean, I know there wasn't a lot of sound clips, and I know I didn't record a lot for the video. I just wanted to keep it, I guess, short and simple, because it's really not hard to install the exhaust, or I guess the hardest part was just taking it off. But to put it on was actually really easy. I mean, we got it on pretty easily, so I mean, didn't really have to show too much. If you guys want step by step, I'm sure there's other videos out there. I just wanted to showcase my exhaust. So we got the Greddy DDR as an exhaust that I wanted, like out the bat, like before I even had the car. I already knew what exhaust that I wanted, so we got that one. Of course, I am going to go catless in the future. If you guys are asking me, yes, I'm going to go catless. But I think the next thing I'm going to get is hot data. That's something that I've been thinking about getting, that I probably am going to get this weekend. And then from there, I'm not too sure. I think after that, I kind of want to go 85, but we'll see. I want to see if I want to go for power first or for looks first, but we're kind of leaning towards power right now. So maybe we could try to make 400. We'll see. Maybe get comfortable with 450. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta look into what goes into all that, but hope you guys like the exhaust. I hope you guys, if you guys were thinking about getting it, I definitely say get it. It's a must, 100%, no cap.
Tap with your hands a lot.
Huh?
You tap with your hands a lot.
I feel like it's easier that way. Cause what do you do? You're gonna talk like this and just not move? You gotta move. No, you gotta move. They gotta.
Smacking the followers. You smacking the subscribers.
But yeah, like I said, if you guys are thinking about the exhaust, definitely do say get it. Don't get used to the iPhone vlog. I've been just doing it for now. We might switch it up with the GoPro, because we did that with your video and it was actually very helpful. So we might put the GoPro on the head whenever we install things or anything like that. But yeah, don't get used to the iPhone vlog. It's just for a temporary fix for now. But I'm gonna end the video here. Gonna end it short. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like the exhaust. But yeah, we'll see what's next. Maybe I should go 85, or should I go for looks? Should I go for power or looks? Let me know down below, power or looks. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Dad, peace.